What is the least common multiple of 70, 60, and 50? So this is the least common multiple problem. You may encounter this or a greatest common factor problem. And really what the test maker is doing is they're bringing up arithmetic that you haven't used in some time. So although not fundamentally difficult, it's difficult because you just don't do this a lot. So I'm going to teach you the calculator method first. This is much faster than doing it by hand. The only gotcha is your calculator, if it's Texas Instruments, only will do 2 numbers at a time, but I'll show you a workaround where you can split it up into 2 problems. So what you do is you go to Math on your calculator, and then find the number section, and then scroll down to least common multiple, or LCM. Click that, and then type in 70, and then find the comma button, and then enter 60. And you don't need to close the bracket, but you can, and press enter. And you'll find that the answer will be 420. So now I need to go back in and go through those steps again. Math, number, LCM. Now enter 420, comma 50, and press enter. And you'll find the least common multiple is 2100. So let's say you don't have a calculator that does this fancy function. So the longhand method of doing this is, step 1, you make a number tree to find all the prime factors of each term you're interested in, like so. And then what you're going to do is line up the factors. And the easiest way to remember how to do this is the following. So as you line up each of the factors, you need to go one by one, and only one of the sets can win per prime factor. And so for LCM, I remember as M being the most. So you're going factor by factor to find the most of those. So we have 1, 2, and 70, 2 2s and 60, and 1, 2, and 50. So the 2 2s and 60 win. Now you go to the next one and you look for 3. There's only 1 3, so only 1 3 wins in 60. And then we go to 5. So there's 1 5 and 70, 1 5 and 60, and 2 5s and 50. So the 2 5s and 50 win. Now there's only 1 70 and 70, 1 7 and the 70, so the 7 wins. And then to find the least common multiple, you just multiply all those factors together that we selected, and you'll find that it's 2100.